welcome to Rollerbass and Coaster Dad.
Morning, we're in Greenwich. We are by the Cutty Sock, which is this massive tea clipper, and we might have a go on that tomorrow. But the main reason we're here today is part of our travel vlog, isn't it? What are we going to do today, Baz?
We're going to go on the river taxi to the London Eye, where we are going to use our Merlin passes for the very first time.
But for today, this is a travel vlog, and we are just going to head down the river and show you what the river taxi is like. Maybe even show you a bit of Greenwich. So if you want to check out our videos about the Merlin Attractions at County Hall in London, the Sea Life and the London Eye, check that out in the video that you see on our channel.
At the pier, and this is where this stall is where you get your tickets to go on the riverboat.
You can get them over here as well at the machine, but your best option, it's not the machine, is it, Baz? What did I do?
What did you do?
Oh, I got them online.
Yeah, you got them online.
If you get them online, you get them for a slight discount. So
Yeah.
I think I paid £8.70 for an adult today. It's normally £10.70 if you buy them at the pier. The boat's coming in. Look at it. In the gum. That's a warship.
Next is London Bridge City.
So, Baz, you just finished the boat along the River Thames, the
Yeah.
Thames Clipper Uber Boat River Taxi. How was that?
It was amazing. It was so cool. We were like, it was like boom, 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 and I was like, whoa.
We stopped at a lot of places, didn't we? Did you see
Yeah.
much on the way? What did you see?
Oh,
The London Eye. Yeah, we're by the London Eye now. That's what we're going to do next. But
yeah.
did you see any good bridges?
Yeah, I saw the London Bridge from Paddington.
Oh, that one's called Tower Bridge. The
Tower
very plain
Bridge.
one afterwards
Tower.
is London Bridge, but the
Okay.
really fancy one. This is a good tip if you come to London. The really fancy bridge that you think is London Bridge, that bridge is Tower Bridge. I've got to stop looking at the microphone. Microphone catches my eye because it looks like a big, massive sock, but I've got to stop looking there.
Yeah.
Going to be professionals, right? We're professionals. Wait, I didn't ask you. Did you see any good boats?
Yeah, well,
Tell them they're there.
when we came off, we saw like one of these like power boat things that goes.
We also saw HMS Belfast. That's the big warship. Did you see that?
Yeah, guns.
War's not good, kids. Don't
Yeah.
do war.
But just don't fight like in the war, okay?
But yeah, next video is going to be our first Merlin Pass experience on.
Well, you can see it, can't you?
They can sort of see it, yeah. It's the London Eye.
Woohoo! And we're going to see.
Sea Life Centre as well, yeah, that's today, the London Aquarium. But for now, we're going to say, watch our next video if you want to know about a trip on the London Eye.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Oh, we don't love you.
We don't love you either.